Alright, for those of you who have seen my previous videos where I replaced the DEF injector on my Ram 2500 Laramie Longhorn, just want to give you a warning. Do not buy this brand. This is a failure after 30 days. Yes, do not buy this brand or probably any of the cheap brands off of Amazon or online, especially if they're made from China. So just recently, I had to replace this one that I had replaced the EOM original that was on my truck because of a code failure. Like I said, you should be getting between 11 and 13 ohms, and here we're getting 1 point nothing. So it's telling me, according to the book, that this DEF injector is no longer any good. So I got on to Amazon and thought, all right, I need one quick, no OEM parts available, and maybe they'll swap it out for me. Got on the Amazon, ordered one real quick, same thing, got it overnight, and checked out the ohms. It's good. It's been in for about 3 weeks, so I'm just waiting to see what happens. After I ordered a replacement one for this same brand, I read the comments and the ratings after it had already shipped, and found out that many have had the same issue as I. And what they said is they would get it and it would fail within 2 weeks to 30 days. And unfortunately, the manufacturer is in China. And when you look at the fine print from Amazon, as far as the warranty, and you click on it, it says you need to work with the original manufacturer. So needless to say, I will still try to send this to Amazon or contact them and see if they'll help out in any way. But I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get any support from the supplier. If I do, I'll give you an update. But either way, this should not fail within 30 days, and it sounds like it's happening to many. So buyer beware. Several people had commented on the videos that they're leery about buying Chinese filters, oil filters, air filters, that type of stuff because of the quality. So hopefully this is the only time I get burnt, but government juice. I wish I could tune my truck and do away with the government juice. It is a bunch of BS and no need for it, in my opinion. And all they're doing is jacking up the price of diesel, and then you gotta pay for government juice on top of that. Plus all the failures that, not just Ram, but all the manufacturers have been having failures with the DEF systems. And then you can't get parts for them. Truck sits idle for weeks, months. Had a buddy had his down for 3 months before they got the parts in. Brand new truck. And it's just very frustrating, you know. Bring back the tune-up kits. Let us tune them and control it that way. But get rid of these DEF systems. They're nothing but trouble, and they will continue to be trouble forever and ever as far as I'm concerned. And but anyway, that's enough of my venting. Love the truck, but hate the DEF. That's my motto. Thanks for stopping in at Peterson Farms in Nashville and listening to me rant. Have a great day. God bless y'all.